Have you ever felt like there's something more to the way we connect with the world? A subtle pull, a quiet signal, almost like we're tuned into something invisible. It's a feeling that sparked countless theories, and for me, one compelling question. Could our very DNA act as an antenna, sensing and responding to signals from all around? Perhaps it's a residual survival mechanism, or maybe something more mysterious. It might sound like science fiction, or even wishful thinking, but this idea is grounded in fascinating science, supported by repeatable experiments. DNA isn't just the blueprint for life. It's a molecule with unique physical and chemical properties that might challenge the way you think about it from this point forward. But for DNA to truly act like an antenna, it would need to exhibit conductive properties, enabling it to interact with electrical fields, and its molecular structure would have to support the transmission and reception of information. Recent research is suggesting that DNA's shape and its ability to conduct charge under certain conditions might make this possible. So let's dive deeper. When most people think of DNA, they picture it as a simple code, a set of instructions stored in every cell of the body. But DNA is far more complex. Its double helix structure consists of two strands twisted together like a ladder. Each strand is made up of smaller units called nucleotides, which are composed of a sugar, a phosphate, and one of four nitrogenous bases, adenine with thymine and cytosine with guanine, forming the rungs of the ladder. This precise pairing not only stabilizes the molecule, but also allows DNA to store and transmit genetic information with incredible efficiency, guiding the cellular process that sustains life. Here's where it gets hard to believe. Your body replicates approximately 2 trillion DNA strands every single day across all your cells. With that level of activity, mistakes are inevitable. In fact, a single cell can experience up to 100,000 errors during DNA replication daily, adding up to an astonishing 10 quadrillion errors across your entire body. These errors, known as mutations, could have catastrophic consequences. So how does the body manage this? Early theories suggested that enzymes meticulously scan the entire length of the DNA in every cell, checking each of the 6 billion base pairs to ensure adenine paired with thymine and cytosine with guanine. But is that even possible? Going base by base for billions of pairs, it simply isn't feasible. It would take far more time than the body has in a day. So there must be another explanation. Researchers, including Jacqueline Barton and her team at Caltech, have uncovered something remarkable. DNA behaves like an electrical circuit. When DNA is intact and its base pairs are correctly matched, electrons can flow freely along the base pairs in a process known as charge transport. However, when there's damage or a mismatch, this flow is disrupted, the circuit is broken, and it essentially sends a signal to repair enzymes. These enzymes are guided directly to the site of the problem, where they excise the error and restore the circuit. This targeted system is much more efficient than aimlessly scanning the entire genome for errors. And this isn't just theoretical. It has been demonstrated repeatedly in laboratory experiments. This process is both elegant and essential, enabling repair mechanisms to maintain the integrity of the genome in a timely manner. DNA's electrical properties make this error detection system both precise and efficient, highlighting the brilliance of biological systems. Now, let's talk about antennas. Antennas work by converting electromagnetic waves into usable energy or information. When a signal matches the antenna's resonant frequency, the antenna vibrates, creating an oscillating electric current. This current can then be processed into data such as an audio from a broadcast or digital communication. Antennas can also transmit energy by emitting electromagnetic waves at specific frequencies, facilitating a two-way exchange of information. Scientists exploring the theoretical electromagnetic properties of DNA suggests that its geometry and electrical characteristics resemble those of an antenna. Scientists have come to this conclusion because DNA has a negatively charged backbone, which theoretically allows it to interact with the electromagnetic waves. Its stacked bases within the helix create a conductive pathway for electrical charges to flow, and its coiled helical structure might enable it to resonate with energy at specific frequencies. So yes, DNA appears to be a true molecular masterpiece, uniquely positioned to bridge the biological and energetic worlds. This connection opens the door to exciting possibilities, so let's dive deeper into what researchers are uncovering. One of the most promising applications of DNA's electrical properties is in early disease detection. Scientists are developing nanotechnology-based biosensors to measure DNA's conductivity, which will change when a strand is damaged or mutated. These subtle disruptions create a distinct electrical signature, allowing researchers to detect issues like cancer at a more early treatable stage. Another exciting area of study involves the potential for electromagnetic healing. Early research suggests that low-frequency electromagnetic fields might stimulate DNA repair, aiding cells damaged by radiation or stress in their recovery. While these fields are still in their infancy, it holds the potential to revolutionize regenerative medicine by enhancing the body's natural repair mechanisms. To further explore DNA's potential as a biological receiver, researchers have been exposing DNA to controlled electromagnetic fields. Using advanced nanotechnology, scientists can now track DNA's electrical activity in real time, uncovering new insights into how it interacts with environmental signals. These experiments are opening doors to a deeper understanding of DNA's role in bridging biology and the world around it. But what if DNA's ability to resonate with specific frequencies connects to something bigger? Can DNA play a role in sensing forces around it? These are questions worth exploring, and I can't wait to see where research takes us. From detecting disease to understanding life's connection to the environment, DNA's electrical and resonant properties might reveal new dimensions of biology. From a survival perspective, the ability to sense and respond to information in the environment seems essential for early humans, an evolutionary tool to navigate, adapt, and survive. Even though we may not consciously rely on this ability anymore, it remains a part of us, quietly influencing us in ways we are only beginning to understand. From its electrical properties to its theoretical potential, DNA is more than just a molecule. It's a bridge that I think will reveal new connections between biology and the world surrounding us. Through research, exploration, and asking the right questions, the journey to uncover DNA's full potential is only beginning. If you enjoyed this video, help more curious minds join the journey. Hit like, share it with a friend, or subscribe to explore more together. As always, may your day be filled with learning and curiosity. Until next time, take care.